Chris is connected to the car audio system with Bluetooth. In this case, it's a newer car, so it has Bluetooth. I'm later going to show how it works for cars that don't have Bluetooth. Chris is set up here on the windshield. You know, you can take it off and snap it into the holder, and then it will very quickly reconnect. It is connected to the power with a very long cable, which is going around down the windshield here, and then all the way down through the floor of the co-driver seat in here. I have this set up now in the car for the last 3 months. Actually, since our last live stream, pretty much I have it in this car. I use it all the time, and so far no one has ever commented on the cable. So it's very discreet. It's very nice, and you know, no one really, people really focus on the device and like the device a lot. Of course, Chris is connected to the smartphone as always. There's a Chris app running, and that's how it works.